Hey Fit Fam! Welcome back to our channel. And today we're diving deep into a game-changing trend that's taking the health and fitness world by storm, intermittent fasting. But wait, before we jump in, let's set the stage. Intermittent fasting isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle. It's about when you eat, not just what you eat. So grab your water bottle, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Picture this. You wake up and instead of reaching for that breakfast cereal, you decide to fast until noon. Why? Because science says it's a game changer. Intermittent fasting helps regulate insulin, torches fat, and boosts cellular repair. It's like giving your body a superhero cape. But how do you start? Glad you asked. We've got the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and feast for 8, or the one meal a day, OMAD approach. It's like a food adventure. Remember, it's not about starving, it's about strategic timing, and guess what? Autophagy kicks in, your cells do a happy dance. Now let's talk benefits. Weight loss, check. Brain health, check. Longevity, triple check. Intermittent fasting is like a Swiss Army knife for your well-being. Meet who lost 30 pounds and who feels sharper than ever. Their secret, intermittent fasting. But remember, every hero faces challenges. No, you won't starve and your muscles won't vanish. It's all about balance. And now, the resolution. So, my fellow adventurers, whether you're a seasoned faster or a newbie, embrace the power of intermittent fasting. Your health journey awaits. Hit that like button, share this video, and remember, you're not skipping meals, you're leveling up.